is full of cheer. New clothes shine sweet so fine, prayers of love in every line. When the moon lit up the sky, everyone cheered oh so high. Kids put henna on their hands, bangles sparkled in a dance. Mom prepared a sweet delight, Dad called everyone so bright. Grandma, Grandpa hugged so tight, love and laughter felt so right. Dressed in outfits crisp and new, off to friends' homes we all flew. Eidi given, Eidi taken, roamed around with joy awakened. At the mosque we stood as one, prayers whispered, day begun. Hands raised high, hearts so true, wishes made for me and you. Streets were buzzing oh so bright, smiling faces pure delight. Some popped balloons, colors grand, some rode swings held tight in hand. Every moment on this day brought us joy in every way. Love and laughter filled the air, happiness was everywhere. Moonlit night, a sight so grand, kids baked cakes with helping hands. Mom and Dad with love so true, hugged us all, our joy just grew. Markets shined with golden lights, shops were buzzing, sweets in sight. Barfi, halibi, treats galore, flavors rich, we craved for more. Family gathered, love was spread, stories, laughter, joy widespread. Hugs were warm and smiles so bright, Eid had made the world so light. Eidi came, the kids were glad, coins and notes, no one was sad. Running, playing, gifts in hand, Eid had cast a spell so grand. Eid has taught us loud and clear, love and kindness bring us near. Share the joy, be kind and true, happiness comes back to you. Children hugged with hearts so free, smiles and laughter pure and glee. Eid was bright so full of cheer, spreading joy both far and near. Every face lit up with grace, every heart felt warm embrace. Sharing kindness, spreading light, Eid was shining big and bright.